Latin NCAP recently released the findings from their inaugural assessment session in 2023, uncovering a profoundly disappointing outcome for the Jeep Renegade. This particular model, manufactured in Brazil and distributed across Latin America, garnered a mere solitary star rating out of a maximum of 5. When it comes to safeguarding adult occupants, the subcompact crossover attained a lackluster score of 48.71%. The evaluation of child occupant protection yielded a relatively better outcome, scoring 66.71%, while the pedestrian category fared moderately with a score of 45.32%. In terms of safety assist features, the Jeep Renegade achieved a rating of 55.81%. The Latin NCAP report highlighted satisfactory body protection and marginal head protection during side impact incidents. However, it is worth mentioning that the side pole test was not conducted due to the optional nature of side and curtain airbags, with the vehicle being equipped solely with 2 standard airbags. Regrettably, in the frontal impact test, the 18-month-old dummy's head made contact with the front seat, resulting in a deduction of points. These results underscore the urgent need for improvements in the safety performance of the Jeep Renegade. Manufacturers must prioritize enhancing occupant protection across various impact scenarios, including frontal and side collisions. Latin NCAP's evaluation serves as a critical reminder that comprehensive safety features should be standard rather than optional to ensure the utmost protection for vehicle occupants. It is vital for car buyers and consumers to be well informed about these safety assessments to make responsible purchasing decisions. By considering the Latin NCAP ratings and prioritizing vehicles with higher safety scores, individuals can play an active role in promoting safer mobility and encouraging automakers to prioritize occupant protection in their designs. The last time Latin NCAP tested the Jeep Renegade was in 2015, and the vehicle scored a maximum of 5 stars. Under their protocols, automakers are allowed to use the star rating for up to 4 years after publication. According to the safety agency, Jeep still uses it for the 2023 model.